Welcome to Tech Logics. In this video, we'll provide a quick setup guide on how to enable the ONVIF protocol on the latest version of Hikvision Hybrid IP cameras. This setup will allow you to seamlessly integrate your Hikvision cameras with third-party streaming devices and applications that support ONVIF. Ensure that the IP camera you want to enable the ONVIF feature on, along with your PC or laptop, is connected to the same network to begin the configuration. Open your browser and enter the camera's IP address in the URL bar. Log in using the camera's username and password. To view the camera feed, you may need to install a web plugin. For configuring the ONVIF protocol, proceed directly to the configuration page. First, access the configuration page of your camera by navigating to the Configuration section in its interface. From there, click on Network and then select Platform Access. In the Platform Access section, locate and click on the ONVIF option to configure it. To activate the ONVIF functionality, toggle the Enable Open Network Video Interface option. Next, create a username and password specifically for ONVIF protocol access. This step is important to ensure secure and controlled access for any third-party devices or applications that will connect to your camera. When setting permissions, you can choose the user level. Video user is suitable for basic live streaming access. If you need to grant more extensive rights, options like operator or admin are available, depending on your needs. Once you have configured the credentials and user level, click OK to save the settings and activate the ONVIF protocol on your camera. Additionally, you have the option to set a static IP address for your camera. Doing so prevents the IP address from changing after reboots, providing a stable network connection, especially useful for consistent device management. With these configurations complete, your camera is now ONVIF enabled and ready to integrate seamlessly with third-party devices and applications that support the ONVIF protocol. Use the credentials you've created to connect securely and take advantage of enhanced interoperability within your network. For this demonstration, we have successfully added the camera to the TP-Link VIGI NVR using the ONVIF protocol, along with the appropriate user credentials that we previously created. This setup showcases how easily ONVIF-compatible cameras can be integrated with your recording system, ensuring seamless communication and control. Similarly, you can add ONVIF-enabled cameras to other brands of recording or streaming devices using the same straightforward process. The universal compatibility of ONVIF allows for flexibility across different hardware and software platforms, making your surveillance setup more versatile and scalable. After logging into your VIGI NVR, navigate to the Device Management page. There, you'll find a search option that displays all cameras connected to the LAN network. The ONVIF-enabled camera will also appear in this list. Select the camera you wish to add, and proceed to edit its parameters, such as the username and password. Be sure to input the ONVIF user credentials you previously created to ensure proper access. Once you've entered the correct details, save the configuration to apply the changes. If everything is set up correctly, the camera's status should automatically update to Connected or Online, indicating it is ready for live streaming and recording. This step verifies that the camera has been integrated successfully into your system. The newly added camera will now appear on the live stream within your NVR interface. Additionally, you can configure recording settings to start capturing footage based on your specific needs, such as motion detection, schedule, or continuous recording. For more insights into ONVIF integration with various third-party software and devices, be sure to follow our channel. We regularly post tutorials and updates to help you maximize your security and surveillance systems. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content and reach a wider audience. Thank you for being part of our community. Your engagement truly motivates us.